Today we're out here with Habitat for Humanity, building a couple great houses, having some fun, enjoying time together.
This is something that Groundworks does annually, is contribute to the community through Habitat Build.
The team loves it. You know, it's great to take a day off from work, come out here with the team and give back.
It's very important for me to be able to give back to my own community, someplace that I was born and raised, and now that my grandchildren are raised here.
In life, we all want the same things, and Habitat provides us the opportunity to come together and make the world a better place.
My job on site today, and it was actually my favorite one, is I got to be the sledgehammer man. The old John Henry workout, it was awesome.
My favorite part about today is getting to come out here and use power tools.
To actually get time while you're working to help out in the community is a really good thing.
A house like this, it's going to change someone's life.
What Habitat does for the country and the community is great, and so, yeah, you get to see the fruits of your labor pretty instantly.
I would encourage anybody at Groundworks that hasn't come out to participate in a wall raising day like this, do it.
It was awesome. It was great to give back to the community.
I mean, there was just absolute cooperation and a high spirit among the volunteers out here to want to help people.
After the build today, the team that's working here together will take back a new relationship that we've been able to build together while coming together for this project.